it's Samantha Erica here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pre-poo my hair using some of my favorite oils to get ready for wash day. But before I get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscription button down below, and also don't forget to hit that little bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's get started. So the base of my pre-poo oil treatment is coconut oil. Next, I'm going to be adding my Jamaican black castor oil. And the last oil I'm going to be using is my vitamin E oil. Hey guys, so I've already sectioned my hair into 6 medium-sized sections so that it's easier to work with. I'm going to be starting on the back section of my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and put the rest of my hair out of the way. First, I'm going to unravel my twist and apply my oil to half of each section at a time. I already heated my oil in the microwave for about 20 seconds before I got started. I'm going to be applying it generously throughout my hair, making sure to cover the ends where my hair tends to be the driest. I'm also going to be finger detangling each section and trying to remove all the shedded hairs as I apply the oil to my hair.